Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. We have our Cricut design space open, and then we're going to upload an image. So I'm hitting this button here that says upload on the left side, it's on the bottom. Clicking this button that says upload image. And then I'm going to browse for my file. Okay, now I got this big black blob. Well, if I go up here and change this color, so I'm going up to this little box that has a black box, and I'm going to change it to white, and now I can see all my lines. So that's nice. So I'm going to click on that again, and I want to change the size. So you'll want to adjust it to whatever size piece you're going to be working on. So I'm going to adjust the size to what I'm working on. So I'm going to say 11 inches, but I want this a little bit more than 7. So if I come up here to the lock button and click on that, I can put in whatever I want there. So I'm going to cut my piece at 11 times 9. So come over here. Okay, so there's my piece, 11 by 9. So I'm going to come over here to make it. Okay, if I wanted to move it on my mat, I could just click on it and drag it where I wanted it. In this case, I don't want to, so I'm going to leave it right where it was. So I'm all set to hit continue. It's going to ask me to set the materials. So I am going to ask for more pressure. I want to make sure that it cuts all the way through. Okay, so now it's telling me I need to put my deep point blade in, so I will do that. Okay, so that's in. And then it says to load my mat. And then I just press the flashing Cricut button on my machine, and it's all set to go.